Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation here. So the project which I have developed as a hackathon is called Pettamo, which is an integrated pet care solution. Now the motive behind this project is actually when we had impacted with the COVID pandemic, everybody was sent to home, people were not allowed to go outside, and all the services which was needed for the people were need to be taken here at their home itself. So there was a drastic change in the industries, how people serve their end users. Just like we have changed from film theaters to OTT platforms, we have the education converted to online education. We have the medicine, which is converted to telemedicine, and we have the software engineers working from home to do all these stuffs here. There was increasing popularity for online shopping, and many such drastic changes were happened in the industry. Now, these all solutions were addressing the humans. Now, there is one particular sector which was unnoticed or which is not properly taken care of, which is the pets. Now, pets also have their own needs. Considering the pet owners and how they really care their pets, they were really depressed because they cannot take their pet out for a walk or grooming services, or they cannot take it to their vet. So all these kind of stuff bothered the pet owners. Now, the solution which I developed is an integrated platform for medical as well as non-medical services for the pet owners. The application was actually built on a React, and I deployed it on the Fleek. Fleek is actually a decentralized hosting platform where it is deployed to the internet application. And when I first deployed the internet application, it uses a canister and it updates every time I update it. Now, this is the landing page of the application. Let's go straight into that. We can all, if you already have a login, you can sign in, or you can already create an account and then sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. As soon as you log in, you can see that you are landed on the pets page. Now, this is the page where all of your pets have been listed, and you can also add a new pet if you want. So you can type the name, you can give a birth date, and you can give a gender, your breed, and the color. All the and after clicking on add pet, it will be saved on the list, and it will be shown on the bottom of side here, just like this. Now, uh, this is the main page, which is the dashboard page, where you can list all the service providers here. So there's also a filter here to filter out the category which is medical or non-medical. So if I click on medical and search, I can see that all the service providers are listed as medical. Now there is a tick mark also here. It means that our team has verified that this is an authentic place. Now this is actually a work in progress. I mean, if the system is implemented, we can also have people who actually go to the service provider and verify that this is an authentic one, so that fake service providers don't actually get into a system. So I can also filter out by type of pet. So if I click on cats, then the medical service provider who services the cats will be listed here. Then you can also click on morning or evening, which means the time of the appointment. Sometimes it won't be available on the morning, sometimes it won't be available on the evening. So that kind of stuff can be done here. This is similar for the non-medical also. So this is how we filter out the service provider. Now, if I click on a non-medical service provider, I can go to their detail page. Or the detail page will be having some of the basic description of the service provider. And just for the MVP here, I just listed out only a small fraction of the details: the provider name, description, the category, the location where it is situated, and the pet service time. Now, if you want to book an appointment, you can click on the book appointment button here. I will just book an appointment for a medical service provider for you. Here we have it, Global Dog Palace. So I'm trying to book an appointment over here. So what is the pet name? So I have Donald, Goofy, or Mickey. I can click on any of my pets here. Then schedule it. This is the time at which I need to be scheduled. So 22 is today's date. I'm gonna postpone to 23 here. Now just trying to put on infection. My dog has an infection, so this is the appointment which I am trying to book. So I click on the confirm button, and my appointment is created. Now you can see the appointments I have made here from the appointments tab. So I can click on here, and I can see the time at which the appointment is actually fixed. So I have also given a previous date. This is some data which is loaded previously, so that when you see on the link to join tab here, it shows as expired. So if your appointment is a past one, you can see that it is expired. So if you go for a future date, it says a click to join. Now I have also integrated a platform which is called the Agora.ai, where you can use online teleconsultation platform for free. I'm using a sandbox version of that for free as of now. So when I click on the click to join, it will open the teleconsultation platform. But since I am sharing my screen and using my camera, it won't be actually available right now. But if you can go to the demo URL, you could also see it working. So if I click on allow, it will actually be rendered here. But now since I am using the camera right now, it won't be able to show in the screen. So when you go to the demo link, you can see that. And now there's also another section for the profile. It is actually not implemented right now. In the future, we can implement the profile section of the pet owner, how about the details of us, so that the service provider can know who am I and can verify it. And in the next stage of the phase, we can also provide an online payment portal, so that the people can actually pay beforehand before visiting the service provider, or after visiting service provider, he can visit the places. Now here in the appointments also, there is also two filter, medical as well as non-medical. If it is non-medical, there is won't be a link to join. Instead, there is a remarks section regarding what the non-medical is. So that is the things which is given in this product. So deploying it in a decentralized Web3 platform was really a fun, because if people are not, we are not hosting on any specific kind of service provider. We are actually spreading this out of the whole world to a decentralized platform. So that is the application of the Fleek and the Definity protocol, which I have used here. I hope this presentation felt very useful for you. Thank you.